Generative AI is changing how we work, learn, and create. In the next few minutes, you'll see what it is, how it works, and where it's going, minus the hype. Generative AI refers to models that create new content, text, images, audio, video, code, based on patterns learned from large datasets. Unlike traditional AI that mainly classifies or predicts, Gen AI produces outputs that didn't exist before. Training versus inference. Training teaches the model from massive data. Inference is when it answers your prompt. Tokens. Models read text in chunks called tokens. More tokens approximately equals more context but higher cost. Embeddings. Numeric representations of meaning, crucial for search and RAG. Prompting. Your instructions shape the output. Clear structure usually wins. LLMs, text, chat, writing, code, analysis. Image generators. From prompts to pictures. Audio and music. Text to speech, voice cloning, composition. Video. Text to video and storyboard tools. Multimodal. Understand text plus images plus audio together. Agents and tools. Models that call APIs, browse, or orchestrate tasks. Teams use Gen AI for content drafting, code assistance, customer support, document search, data analysis, design ideation, and education. The real value appears when you integrate your own data and processes. Hallucinations. Models can be confidently wrong. Verify critical facts. Bias and fairness. Training data can encode bias. Privacy and IP. Protect sensitive data. Respect copyrights and licenses. Safety. Add filters, human review, and clear policies. Here is how to get started. Start with a clear problem. Prototype using hosted models or low-code tools. Pilot with a small group, measure impact, then scale with governance.